Let me take you back to 2019 when I was 26 and I was trying to buy my first rental property. I was so overwhelmed. I literally had no clue where to start. No one was there to guide me. I had no mentor. I had to find a way to make the process as easy as possible because I was pretty confused, I'm not going to lie. So I know most people bought houses with conventional loans, and conventional loans for the most part are in someone's name. Not only that, but I only had 10% of the down payment for a property, which was about $30,000. Another pro of getting a conventional loan is that I'll be able to get a lower interest rate on the loan. That's what I went into the property with. I was going to buy my first property, $195,000. But a week before I was about to close, my dad and my brother decided that they wanted to partner with me and put $15,000 in each. That would have brought us up to a 25% down payment. So my brother wanted to create an LLC, and I had no clue how to create one, and it was really complicated, and I didn't want to add any more complication to the process. So I bought the property without the LLC, and I still bought it under my name. That wasn't the optimal way to do it. I could have done it in a better way by buying it in an LLC first, but I didn't know any better. So for the first year and a half of owning that property, I owned it under my name, even though it was a part of a business. And we divided it, all the profits, in our three ways, with the 50% me, 25% my brother, 25% my dad. And after that, I bought every property I own under an LLC. The LLC allows me to get protection just in case if someone sues me. So I first understood the process, and then afterwards I added a new layer of complexity, which was the LLC. Honestly, if you're the type of person who's overwhelmed with everything about real estate investing right now, then I highly recommend that you go the route of not buying in an LLC. And the advantages are that you'll be able to get a house for a lower down payment and lower interest rate. And in a couple years, after you've learned the process and you feel more confident about it, you can add the complexity of getting an LLC. I'll do a whole pro and cons of getting a property under an LLC in a follow-up video.